Hello children, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. Okay children, quickly take page number 95 in your EVS studio. Now we are going to do this activity number 6.9. Okay children, listen. These pictures show the step involved in taking care of clothes. Write number in order by which they must be completed in the boxes provided. Children, take a pencil. Okay, listen. How we should be follow to take care of our clothes. Okay, how we should be follow to take care of our clothes. Now we are going to write the number in the order wise. Okay, now we are going to write the number in the order wise. Shall we do this activity? Okay children, can you guess what is the first step? Can you guess what is the first step? Yeah, very good. Okay, this picture. So, this is the first step. So, we have to separate the clothes. Okay, we have to separate the clothes according to fabric and then color. Okay, according to fabric and then color, because this is to make sure that one color does not stick to the another fabric and spoil them. So, only we have to separate the clothes. Okay, children. Okay, can you guess what is the next step? Second step. Can you guess? Yeah, very good. This is the second picture. Okay, this picture is the second step. Okay, second step. So, next we have to wash the clothes with the right soap. Okay, next we have to wash the clothes with the right soap. Okay, dear, can you guess what is the third step? Yeah, very good. So, we have to dry the cloth. Okay, we have to dry the clothes. Okay, which one is the last step? Yeah, very good. This is the fourth step. Okay, last step. So, we have to press or iron the cloth and store them properly for the next use. Okay, we have to press or iron the cloth and store them properly for next use. Children, like these steps, okay, like this step you should be follow in your day-to-day life. Okay, like this step you should be follow in your day-to-day life. Okay, children, I hope everyone done this activity. Clap yourself. Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Next one is the activity, companion activity. Activity number 6B, page number 18. Okay. So, this activity is the project time activity, children. So, this activity you complete as a home task. Children, one has been done for you. First of all, you can draw with your own innovative idea. Okay, you can draw with your own innovative idea and trace the color. Okay, this is a sample of your dress. Then after you completed this drawing, next one you can fill this table. Okay, you can fill in the table, dress to be used on sunny day or windy day, like that. Then cloth design for a boy or girl. And if you touch the cloth, how you will be feel? It feel like a silky, smooth or rough. So you can choose it, and type of the fabric to be used, natural or synthetic, like that. The name of the fabric, then color of the fabric, blue or red, black, like that. So first of all, you completed this drawing. Okay, use your innovative idea and trace the color. Then after you completed this drawing, you can write it here. Okay, you can fill in the table. Okay children, so this task you complete as a home task activity, okay dear, along with your parent help. And shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, next one is the complete the concept map. Okay, complete the concept map. Okay children, now is the time for short recap about the clothes we wear lesson. Shall we see this activity? Okay children, again I repeat once again dear, page number 96. Okay, take page number 96 in your EVS studio, concept map activity. Okay children, see, listen, clothes we wear. Okay, clothes we wear. First of all, we are going to discuss about types of fabric. Okay, types of fabric. You know very well, okay, we learned the types of fabric. Can you guess what is this? What are the 4 types of fabric? Yeah, very good. Natural fabric, cotton fabric, jute fabric, wool fabric and silk fabric. Okay, so types of fabric. Okay, types of fabric. First one is the natural fabric and next one is the human made fabric. First we are going to discuss about types of fabric, children. We have the 2 types of fabric. One is the natural fabric and another one is the human made fabric. In that natural fabrics we are divided into the 4 types. First one is the cotton fabric, second one is the jute fabric, then third one wool, then fourth one silk. Okay, the next fabric, what is another type of fabric? Very good. Okay, the next one is the synthetic fabric, dears. Okay, the synthetic fabric. Okay, in the synthetic fabric divided into the 4 type. The first one is the nylon. Okay, the second one is the rayon. Then third one is the polyester and fourth one is the acrylic. Okay, the types of fabric, we have the 2 types. One is a natural fabric, another one is a human made synthetic fabric. In this natural fabric divided into the 4 types: cotton, jute, wool and silk. In the synthetic fabric divided into the 4 types: nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. Okay, children. Okay, next one, clothes for different types of hair. Okay, clothes for different types of hair. The cloth that we wear for the sunny day. Can you guess what we wear of sunny day? Frock, t-shirt, shorts and cap. Okay, cloth that we wear on rainy day? Very good, raincoat and gumboots. Okay, which cloth we wear on the cold or windy day? Very good, jacket, sweater and muffler. Okay, very good. Okay, children, see the next one, care of clothes. Care of cloth, what are the steps we should be following in our day-to-day life? First step is the remove stains. Second step is we have to separate the cloth. The next one is the wash cloth with the correct detergent. Then fourth step we have to dry cloth, and the last step is press or iron the cloth. Okay, children, so the clothes we wear, we discussed about types of fabric, clothes of different types of hair, and the last one is the care of cloth. Okay, children, I hope everyone understood about the concept of clothes we wear lesson. Shall we move to the next one, dears? Very good. Okay, next is the time for question time. Take a pencil and write it here. Okay, children, see the first Roman, fill in the blanks. Now we are going to answer these questions. Can you guess? See, children, cloth is also called dash. Cloth is also called dash. Can you guess what is the answer here? Very good. The first one is a fabric. Okay, the cloth is also called, we call it as a fabric also. Okay, children, listen. Second one, on sunny day, people like to dress in dash cloth. Very good. Okay, cotton cloth. Okay, children, see the third one. The 2 type of fabric or natural fabric and one more than dash fabric. Yeah, human made fabric. Okay, human made synthetic fabric. Okay, fourth one, woolen fabric is made of the dash of sheep. Very good, wool of sheep. Fifth one, dash is a natural fabric. Give one example, 3 example, wool, jute and silkworm. Okay, next last one, sixth one, it is always better to dash to cloth to remove the dirt and stain from them. We have to separate the cloth to remove the dirt and stain from them. Very good here. Super. Shall we move to the next one? Take your pencil. Okay, you are going to complete this activity also. Children, listen. which of the following is the human made fiber? Okay, which of the following is the human made fiber? They have given the four option here. Okay, they have given the four option here: cotton, wool, jute and rayon. Okay, cotton, wool, jute and rayon. Which one is the correct answer for the human made fiber? Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Okay, rayon is the correct answer. So you can tick this answer. Next one, which one of the following is a plant fiber? Which one of the following is a plant fiber? Can you guess this answer? They have given the four option here: cotton, wool, polyester and rayon. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Okay, cotton is the correct answer. Very good, dear. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, children, listen. See the third one. Wool is obtained from which of the following animals? Can you guess? Wool is obtained from which of the following animal? They have given the four option here: deer, sheep, cow and dog. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Okay, the third one, B answer is the correct answer. Sheep is the correct answer. Okay, next one, fourth one. Jute fiber is obtained from which part of the jute plant? Flower, root, seed and stem. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Okay, D option, stem is the correct answer. Okay, very good, children. I hope everyone done this activity. Shall we move to the next one? Okay, the next Roman, match the following. Children, listen. Now we are going to match the correct answer. Okay, now we are going to match the correct answer. Shall we do this? Yeah, very good. Take a pencil. Okay, just listen. Now we are going to guess the answer. Which one is the correct answer? See the first one. What they have given here? What they have given here? Cotton. Okay, what they have given here? First one, cotton. Can you guess which one is the correct answer for the cotton? Yeah, very good. Cotton is the correct answer. Cotton plant. Okay, the cotton is the correct answer. Cotton plant. Okay, very good, dear. See the next one. See the next one, dear. Wool. Okay, see the next one. Wool. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Which one is the correct answer for the wool? Very good. Okay, sheep. Okay, sheep. Sheep is the correct answer. So, wool, sheep. So, this is the second one. Okay, next one. Nylon, rayon. Okay, nylon, rayon. Which one is the correct answer for this question? Very good, dear. Plastic. Okay, plastic. So, this is the third one. Very good. Shall we move to the next one? Next one, fourth one, silk. Silk. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Silk. Very good. Silkworm. Okay, silkworm is the correct answer. So, this is the fourth one. Next, camel hair. Camel hair. Which one is the correct answer for the camel hair? Camel. Okay, so this is the fifth one. Very good, dear. I hope everyone guessed this answer. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, next one. See the first one, dear. Sunny day. This also match the following, dear. This is the B part. Okay. See, sunny day. Sunny day. Which one is the correct answer for the sunny day? Which type of cloth we will wear on sunny day? Very good. Sunny day is the correct answer for the cotton frock. Okay, cotton frock. So, cotton frock is the correct answer. So, sunny day, cotton frock. Okay, sunny day we will wear the dress cotton frock. Okay, rainy day. Rainy day, which one is the correct answer for the rainy day? Very good. Rainy day is the correct answer, raincoat and gumboots. Okay, rainy day is the correct answer, raincoats and gumboots. So this one is the second answer for the second question. Third one, windy or cold day. Windy or cold day. Which one is the correct answer for this question? Very good, sweater. Okay, sweater. Sweater is the third one for the third answer for the third question. Next one, care for clothes. Care for clothes. Care for clothes. Which one is the correct answer? Very good. Press or iron is the correct answer for the care for clothes. Okay, last one, natural or human made. Okay, natural and human made is a type of fabric. We have the two type of fabric. One is a natural and another one is a human made. Okay. Okay, children, very good. I hope everyone guessed this answer. Shall we move to the next one? Yeah. Okay, next Roman is the answer the following. See the first one, dear. What is the fabric? What is the fabric? Can you guess? Very good. The fabric the material used to make clothes is known as fabric. Say along with me. The material used to make clothes is known as fabric. Okay, children, see the second one. Name the two type of fabric. Can you guess? What are the two type of fabric? Very good. Natural fabric and human made fabric. Okay, natural fabric and human made fabric. Okay, children, see the third one. How will you keep our clothes clean? Can you guess? How will you keep our clothes clean? We have the 5 steps. First step is the remove stain. Say along with me, remove stains. What is the second step? Second step, we have to separate cloth. Then third step, wash. Fourth step, dry. And fifth step, press or iron. So like this, so follow the instruction. So these and all steps, we will keep our clothes very clean. Okay. Okay, children, shall we move to the next one? Okay, now is the time for word wizard. Children, see, say along with me, dears. Okay, see the first one. What is the first one? Human made. What is the first one? Human made. H-U-M-A-N. Human made. M-A-D-E. Made. Human made. Okay, very good. Second one. See the second one. What is this? Natural. Natural. Say along with me, dears. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. Natural. Natural. Third one. Cotton. Cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Fourth one, jute. Jute. J-U-T-E. Jute. Fifth one, camel hair. Camel hair. C-A-M-E-L. Camel hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Camel hair. Sixth one, wool. Wool. W-O-L. Wool. Seventh one, silk. Silk. S-I-L-K. Silk. Eighth one, nylon. Nylon. N-Y-L-O-N. Nylon. Ninth one, rayon. R-A-Y-O-N. Rayon. Tenth one, polyester. P-O-L-Y-E-S-T-R. polyester, polyester. Okay, next one, 11th one dears, listen. 11th one, Arclic, ACRYLIC, Arclic. 12th one, silkworm, silkworm, SILK, silkworm, WORM, worm, silkworm. 13th one, plastic, 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 plastic. 14th one, sunny, 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 sunny. 15th one, windy, 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 windy. 16th one, rainy, 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 rainy. 17th one, cold, 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 cold. 18th one, sweater, 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 sweater. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next, 19th one. Listen dears, say along with me. 19th one, muffler, 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 muffler. 20th one, frogs, frogs, FROCKS, frogs. 21st one, raincoat, raincoat, RAIN, raincoat, COAT, coat, raincoat. 22nd one, shorts, 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 shorts. 23rd one, gumboots, 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 gumboots. 24th one, iron, 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 iron. 25th one, dry, 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 dry. Okay children, see children, these words you will practice in your home. Okay, so I hope everyone understood about the clothes we wear. Okay, I hope everyone understood about the clothes we wear lesson dears. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe, wash your hands with hand sanitizer, eat healthy food, avoid junk food, drink plenty of water, use restroom often dears. Thank you so much.